So this is a Lamborghini Sian in white with bronze rims. I do have another one that I made a short on that is in the green. And I don't know, I just thought it would be nice to have another one. So let's open it. Okay, so this is the Lamborghini Sian in white. Again, not my preferred color of choice, but I do like the car in general, so I thought it would be nice to get another one, even if it is in white. And from this side, honestly, the white kind of works, but the interior. Not too bad of a car in general. So now let's remove the plastic bits. Plastic strip is gone. Let's go ahead and remove the bands. Alright, now that the bands are removed and plastic strip, let's go ahead and open it. So I believe this car is one of them that has the spoilers that could open. So let's open the back here. So that is with the spoiler up. The nice engine in there. Yeah, carbon fiber bits. The paint seems to be pretty good. Sometimes they tend to lack in like specific areas, but this one seems good enough. A little bit light on paint here, but can't have everything. Again, I did pay 20 bucks for this, so not much to complain about. The interior. Hard to get it on camera, but at least it's a different color interior this time. It's been black interiors for the last few bits. And why isn't my door closing right? So to close the doors, if you close them like that, they don't really sit. So the only way to get them closed properly is to push it in right around here, and it tucks in. So this is the front. Whole lot of nothing there. Not too bad though, in detailed at least. So let's remove the stand now. Oh yeah, it's just picture demonstrating. To close the doors, you need to push it in and then push it down. Again, another one of those models. Gloss, but Bburago car on a Maisto stand. Nothing too new around here, but that's the bottom. I'm not a huge fan of the paint white, but it works well on this car, at least to me. The 63 on the back. So one thing in paint that I see is that it kind of bubbles right here. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it kind of bubbles right here, so that's a bit sad, but oh well. Can't have everything. And again, this was $20, so not too bad, not too bad. Got a bronze strip here, the flag there. So let's go ahead and get this on the rotating stand. So this is a Lamborghini Sian in white, bronze rims and brown interior. I have one in green somewhere, so why I'm saying it's the white one. A little bit of paint issues but nothing too bad. The doors you do have to push in and push down on in order to close it properly, because if you close it regularly, it's not going to go right. But if you push it in as you're pushing it down, it does go in nice and tight. So now that we're opening doors, let's open all of them. So now that all the doors are open, you can see the engine bay, you can see the interior a little better this time since there's a different color than black in there. The front, there's not too much going on in the front, so it is what it is. You see the cyan on the side on the door. The spoiler even goes up, so you can have that up if you wanted to. And it's not much else I could say about it. So that's about it.